Amazon. Amazon. Extra large because I wanted her to hug like this. Because the model was wearing it like this. Okay, period. Y'all, they haven't missed. They haven't missed. Her baby, Temu haven't missed. Hey y'all, what I do with your girl Chatty Shay. Welcome back to another video. I know I've been going for forever, but we gonna get into that, but in another video. Alright y'all, so I have 2 more videos that's gonna be coming out. That's my dog going crazy because somebody at my front door. Probably an Amazon package. But we gonna still do this video. Anyway, y'all, I got a fall haul for y'all. I got some stuff from Temu and Amazon. So we just gonna throw that on, and then yeah, thank y'all for being loyal too, because your girl is in school to be a doctor. Okay? Anyway, your girl is in school to be a doctor. And I just finished eating too, y'all. So y'all might hit my stomach because my food digesting. But anyway, let's get into this fall haul, okay, y'all? So I got my stuff right here on the floor. I think I have like 6 outfits from, so this is Temu stuff, and this is Amazon stuff here, y'all, okay? So anyway, let's do it. Okay, y'all, so this is the first outfit here. Can y'all see this? It's a brown one piece, okay? Giving body. This is what it look like. This is it. Okay, y'all, this came from Amazon. This was like somewhere in the ballpark of almost $30. It's basically just a women's brown jumpsuit, basically. Okay? And it's real soft, y'all. Okay? It's real soft. And if I'm breathing heavy, not too much, because it be taking a lot to get in and out of these clothes. Okay? Anyway, and your girl's skin is glowing out because she's pregnant, because she got a skin routine. Okay, but anyway, so this is that. It's real stretchy too, y'all. This is a size large, okay? So I have on a size large. Okay, your girl have on a size large, okay? And it's real cute, y'all. This is real cute for fall. Put your little knee boots on. Be about your business. Alright, anyway. Next up. Okay, y'all. So we back. And here's what this looks like. So this is actually a pair of high-waisted pants. They kind of flare at the bottom, like wide leg. And this little green top that I just threw on. This came from Temu, you guys. This is like, I don't know, some type of like silk. It's got a stretch to it. It's polyester. My top is an extra large. I could have really went a large. But with Temu, you don't really never know. So I got an extra large because I wanted her to hug like this. Because the model was wearing it like this. Okay, period. But anyway, she's still real relaxed. It got like a little situation right here. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like the model just had it kind of hanging in the front like this. I don't know, but I like it. It's real cute. So this is what this look like. Y'all, but this is cute. Okay, it's giving. You put you on some flats or some stilettos, and baby, it's gonna give. Whoa. You can still do a little. Okay, so whatever. It's gonna give, y'all. So that's the situation. It's just some little stretch flare pants, y'all. Okay, just regular black. They look like that. And this comes down long like that, okay? Cute or whatever. Okay. Let's clap it up for Temu because they did their big one. Y'all, look at this. So this is a regular black pencil skirt. I got this in the size extra large because the hips don't lie. And my shirt is, hold on, let me see. My shirt. That's not this. All these bags mixed up, y'all. I think the shirt is extra large and the top is extra large, y'all. This shirt got a real nice stretch to it. Okay. Really good material. Okay, the pencil skirt, look. Okay, whole stretch to it. It comes to your knee length. Okay, so here's what that look like. Okay, real cute, y'all. Let me tell y'all. So far, Temu haven't missed. I'm just saying. That first brown one piece was from Amazon. But the other green outfit, the last outfit, and this outfit from Temu, they haven't missed, y'all. They haven't missed. They haven't missed. Baby, Temu haven't missed. And I bought this with my own money. No sponsorship. And it's giving what it's supposed to give. I mean, look at me. With no shapewear, y'all. And this shirt is a snapping you exposed, okay? So if you had a long day at the office, you got somebody home waiting for you, baby. You could be like, so don't look at this shirt. I just put this shirt on to go with these pants. But y'all, these pants came from Temu. It's a little flare at the bottom. Little flare. But so these pants came from Temu. They was like $10. But this shirt right here came from Amazon. But I just want to show y'all. Look at this. Y'all, look at this shirt. Amazon. Amazon. How I'm supposed to get in here? How I'm supposed to put this on? Hold on, y'all. Let me go get some scissors. Okay, y'all. So this is that shirt. It's just a white turtleneck, y'all. I could have went large. Again, I went extra large. Don't ask me why I be like adding pounds on myself. But this is an extra large from Amazon. With these pants from Temu. Now the pants is the extra large. Because baby, she gonna always get an extra large in pants. Because she built like a stallion. Okay, but the top is an extra large, and I could have went large, y'all, but whatever. So this is the Amazon turtleneck, white, just a plain white turtleneck from Amazon. Pants from Temu, okay, y'all? So that's what this look like. Cute boots and a little bag. Okay, anyway. Cute. Okay, it's giving. Now, I do have a skirt that I bought to wear with this. I really didn't buy this shirt to go with this, but it just went. Hold on, let me show you. So this is the skirt from Amazon. It's just a pleated mustard type color skirt. But I don't know if I'm going to keep it because, baby, this back, I can't turn around. Baby, I can't turn around. I see y'all looking over there. You ain't going to put me on the internet. I can't turn around, y'all. It's a little short, but it's cute or whatever. But this back, look. But if I let that go, y'all, it's rising. I've been done with my whole booty out. But I think it's cute. And it's an extra large. It's just not. And I can't go up a size because look. So I think I'm going to send this back. But we keeping this turtleneck. And we're going to keep this turtleneck on for the next pair of pants too, y'all. Okay, so hold on. Okay, y'all. So that's these green pants, y'all. And this is my last piece that I have. These green pants, they kind of flared the bottom. They came from Temu. All my bottoms is the extra large, okay? So everything I wore on the bottom today was an extra large. So these pants is cute. It got like a little button here. It's like it's pleated in the front. Real cute. And I still have a little room right here. You know what I'm saying, for wash. But it's cute. And it look real cute with this turtle. Baby, listen. She throw a bag on. With some white shoes. And alright, y'all, hold on. Alright, we back. Anyway, y'all, this is some real good, like, stretch material. Like, this really is stretch, y'all. This is cute or whatever. But anyway, this is a few pieces that I purchased with my own money. That I wanted to show you guys some combinations that you could put together for fall or for Temu and Amazon. Okay. It's giving. It's giving. Anyway, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. What you guys do on this channel. Stay tuned for my next video. Until next time.